Welcome to the Making Things Simpler, where we explore the fascinating stories behind the everyday materials that shape our world. Take a moment and look around you. Your kitchen sink, your refrigerator, a hospital instrument, maybe even the watch on your wrist. Chances are, stainless steel is right there. It's strong, shiny, resistant to rust, and incredibly versatile. But have you ever wondered how this remarkable material is actually made? The journey of stainless steel begins deep inside the earth, with iron ore. Iron ore is rich in iron oxides, but in this natural form it isn't pure metal yet. To extract iron, the ore is transported to a blast furnace, where it is heated to extremely high temperatures, nearly 1700 degrees Celsius. Inside the furnace, iron ore is combined with coke, a carbon-rich material, and limestone. The intense heat causes chemical reactions to take place. Oxygen separates from the iron oxides, carbon dioxide is released, and what remains is molten iron. This liquid iron, known as pig iron, is the starting point for making steel. However, pig iron on its own is not stainless. In fact, ordinary iron rusts easily when exposed to air and moisture. The magic of stainless steel comes from adding special elements to this molten iron. The most important of these elements is chromium. When chromium is added, something remarkable happens. It reacts with oxygen in the air to form a very thin, invisible layer of chromium oxide on the surface of the metal. This layer acts as a protective shield. Even if the surface gets scratched, the chromium reacts again with oxygen and repairs the layer automatically. That is why stainless steel resists rust and corrosion so effectively. To qualify as stainless steel, the alloy must contain at least 10.5% chromium. Depending on how the steel will be used, other elements may also be added. Nickel is commonly used to improve corrosion resistance and give the steel a more polished, shiny appearance. Molybdenum can be added to increase resistance to pitting, especially in salty or marine environments. Manganese helps improve strength and hardness. Each of these elements must be measured very carefully. Even small changes in composition can significantly affect the final properties of the steel. Once all the alloying elements are added, the molten steel still needs to be purified. During manufacturing, unwanted carbon and other impurities can remain in the mixture. To remove them, manufacturers use a process called argon-oxygen decarburization. In this process, oxygen is injected into the molten steel to react with excess carbon, turning it into gas that can escape. At the same time, argon is used to control the temperature and prevent valuable chromium from oxidizing. This step ensures the steel has the correct balance of elements and the desired performance characteristics. After purification, the molten stainless steel is ready to be shaped into solid form. Most modern factories use a method called continuous casting. The molten steel is poured into a water-cooled mold, where it begins to solidify as it moves downward. It forms long slabs or billets that can be cut into specific lengths. Continuous casting allows for consistent quality and efficient production. Once solidified, these slabs are reheated and passed through heavy rollers in a process known as hot rolling. The steel is heated to over 1000 degrees Celsius and compressed between rollers to reduce its thickness and shape it into sheets, plates, bars, or other forms. Hot rolling not only shapes the steel but also improves its internal grain structure, enhancing strength and durability. After hot rolling, the surface of the steel is usually rough and covered with oxide scale formed during heating. To remove this layer, the steel undergoes pickling. It is immersed in an acid solution that cleans away the scale and leaves behind a smooth, clean surface. For applications where appearance is important, such as kitchen appliances or architectural features, additional finishing processes may be used. The steel can be cold rolled at room temperature for greater precision, annealed to relieve internal stresses, and polished to achieve anything from a matte finish to a mirror-like shine. Before stainless steel leaves the factory, it goes through strict quality control tests. Samples are analyzed to confirm chemical composition, tested for strength and flexibility, and examined under microscopes to check internal structure. Only after meeting all required standards is the steel approved for use. From there, stainless steel begins the final stage of its journey. It may become surgical instruments used in life-saving procedures, structural components in skyscrapers, parts of automobiles, or everyday household items. Its combination of strength, corrosion resistance, and visual appeal makes it one of the most important materials of the modern world. The next time you see a shiny stainless steel surface, remember that it started as raw rock buried deep in the earth. Precise chemistry, advanced engineering, and careful finishing, it was transformed into a material that is both beautiful and incredibly durable. Stainless steel may seem ordinary because we see it every day, but its creation is truly a remarkable story of science and human innovation. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the Making Things Simpler. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay curious about the world around you.